In this video, we will show you how to screenshot the web in various device mockups. Maybe you need to take a screenshot of your website into mockups like smartphone device, tab device, laptop device, and etc. In here, to do that, there are very easy way you can using website mockupsgenerator.com in here. Just type website mockupgenerator.com. Okay, you can see this is the URL. We will put the URL into pinned comments. Then you can type your websites without HTTPS or HTTP. Just type your website address or your website domain name here. After you type your domain name, just click submit. You can also upload your own picture if you want for mobile, tablet, laptop, or desktop. But you can just take a screenshot by click submit and input your URL. And this is for the case. Okay, you can download all the devices into black frame. Okay, this mean the black is this device is black. If you download for all the device and white, the device color is white here. Okay, we will try show you later. This is three device: smartphone, personal computers, and tablet. Okay, you can see white mean is here. You can also download one by one for smartphone, tablet, or laptop here. And this is for desktop. Okay, if we can just download all the files, this is black, for example here, and this is for white. Let me show you the difference. Okay, this is the white, and this is the black. All this is a black, and this is a white, and for the desktop there is black frame here. And that's all. Tutorial how to take a screenshot of the websites into various devices. In here, you don't need to be hard to creating the mockup. Just take a screenshot of your website URL. Hope this video helpful for you.